Hey guys, so today I'm gonna be opening these Lana Life keychains. I heard that she is a YouTuber. Lots of people watch her. So today I found this keychain that Lana Life made at Five Below. So today I'm gonna be opening it. So first we're going to take out the tape. Yeah, help me open it. It's in a pink bag. ASMR. Three, two, one. So this is the Roblox UGC item. Here is the code. And also, let's get the review of the keychain in 3, 2, 1. You guys can see it first. That is so cute. It's bigger than I thought I expected. I got this one over here. So cute. Bye guys.